What is up mga kapatid? Queen Snowden is back at it again. Siyempre, saan pa nga ba? Here only at Snowden Gaming, no? So this is going to be the part 2, no? In this video, ito yung part 2 nung previous video natin na updates. Because ang daming updates doon sa nirelease ni Project Sino na nerfs and buffs. So I want to make it clear and ayoko naman na sobrang haba ng video, kaya ginawan na lang natin ng part 2. So in this video we are going to tackle yung remaining updates and I will share you my thoughts and kung goods ba yung update na yun ni Project Sino. So ano pa nga bang hinihintay natin? Tara na, tayo na mga kapatid, no? So ito na yung part 2, no? So pinutol ko lang yun last time, no? So last time is, I think if I'm not mistaken, natapos tayo kay Psychic, no? So continuation tayo, no? Si Kuya Moon Ninja naman. Alright, so meron isang binago lang kay Ninja, yung reincarnation. Pinahina. Okay, sa pool na naman ng ninja natin, guys. So ito yung change. Change the number of actions allowed by reincarnation to a total of 2 times for skill card with cost of 3 or more. Alright, so yung mga 3 or more na skill card daw ni Ninja, kapag ginamitan mo siya ng reincarnation, total of 2 times, no? 2 times action yung gagawin. Alright. The skill card with cost of 2 or less remains the same, allowed to take actions 3 times. So technically ni-nerf nila yung pag-spam ng reincarnation plus yung poison bomb. Kasi alam niyo naman yung poison bomb 4 energy cost siya. So kapag ginamitan mo siya ng reincarnation, 2 times niya na lang ibabato yung poison bomb. Pero kapag ginamitan mo siya ng skill card ni Ninja na may 2 or less energy cost, same pa rin, 3 times niyang gagawin. So kung ako sa inyo, gamitin nyo na lang yung Sand, no? If I'm not mistaken, nakalimutan ko yung pangalan, pero yung Sandstorm ata yun. AoE damage din siya, pero 2 energy cost card. So in my opinion, doon nyo na lang gamitin yung reincarnation nyo. Pero I do suggest pa rin na maganda pa rin naman gamitin si Poison Bomb. Pero it's up to you guys. So for me, that's only my thoughts and my opinions. So next one, si Kuya mo Grappler. Okay, meron siyang 5 skill card and may isang ultimate ang nabago. Alright. Kay Mach Punch, na-adjust. Change the amount of HP consumed when using a skill from 20 to 2% of maximum HP. Alright, so na-adjust siya, hindi na siya naka-base lang dun sa HP na current, hindi lang siya 20 but 2% of the maximum HP. So this is a good adjustment kasi na somehow kapag malaki yung HP nung grappler mo, 20 HP lang yun nababawas sa kanya kapag nagma-Mach Punch. But with this adjustment, magbe-base na siya sa maximum HP, and yung 2% ng maximum HP nung grappler ng kalaban mo, kung malaki yung HP niya, malaki rin yung bawas sa kanya nung consumed HP nung Mach Punch. Alright, so ganoon din kay Rising Dragon. Kay Rising Dragon naman, dati 60 lang yung mababawas, kumbaga naka-fix na 60 lang yung HP na mababawas every time na gagamitin mo si Rising Dragon. But this time, no? 5%, sorry, hindi pala 50, 5% of maximum HP yung mababawas, no? This will be reflected in the upcoming update. Alright, so hindi, at the moment na ginawa ko tong video na to, hindi pa to implemented because sa upcoming update pa to, I think next week, kasabay nung kay Necromancer na Battle Pass. So sa next season pa to mai-implement. So sulitin nyo na yung Mach Punch tsaka Rising Dragon nyo na hindi malaki yung bawas sa HP ng sino nyo kapag 1000 plus HP kayo, no? So malaking epekto sa mga malalaki yung HP na grappler dahil by percentage na yung bawas sa HP. Alright, next one, si Smash Combo. Okay, pinahina. Add 1 turn to to the cooldown. Alright? Si Smash Combo kasi, ayan yung 4 energy. Pero kapag kinombohan mo siya ng other cards, na grappler skill cards, mababawasan siya ng 2. So, nilagyan siya ng 1 turn cooldown because nai-spam kasi siya. So, that's a good adjustment for me. Alright? Next one, Diamond Upper. Ito yung Diamond Upper yung nagdadagdag ng shield. Okay, Strengthen. Add an abnormal state cancellation effect to yourself only. Alright, so hindi lang siya nagbibigay ng shield, but also nagbibigay rin siya ng abnormal state cancellation. So, kung merong mga debuffs sa grappler mo, once nagmamit ka ng Diamond Upper, makakuha ka na ng pang-debuff sa mga debuffs sa'yo. Alright. Next one, si Megalodon Punch. Ito yung yung pating. Strengthen. Add an effect of cancelling damage reduction effect. So, kung na-debuff ka ng kalaban mo na may minus damage ka, no? So, mawawala na yon kapag gumamit ka ng Megalodon Punch. Okay, next one. Ito, all in general na to. Na parang general update. Yung critical attack, pinahina. The critical hit damage boost will be reduced from 1.5 to 1.3 times. This will be reflected on the upcoming update. Next one, passive skill Samurai Killer. Okay, pinalakas. Change damage boost effect from 5 to 25% to 10 to 35. Alright, so pinalakas nila yung mga Samurai Killer, Breaker Killer, Guardian Killer, Psychic Killer. Kasi itong mga passive skill na to, every time na may makakatapat ka na Samurai, tapos meron kang ganitong passive skill, lalaki yung damage mo against that specific class of Sino. Right? So, Grappler Killer. So, lahat ng may mga killer. From 5 to 25%, naging 10 to 35%. So, that's a great boost. So, yung iba kasi, hindi pinapansin to every time na makikita nila yung ganitong passive skill, no? So, nire-reroll nila. Alright, next one. Passive na Summon Unit Killer. Change the damage boost effect ranging from 16 to 80%, naging 16 to 70, pinahina. Alright? Next, Guard Summon. Change HP boost effect from 20 to 90 to 2070. So, pinahina yung HP boost. Yung charm na Flame Charm, strengthen. Add the burn effect cancellation effect to the LE Bracelet effect. Alright? LE ibig sabihin left. In addition, the effects of UC necklace and UC and R bracelet will also be adjusted, and totally ability values will be adjusted to be the same. So magkakaroon sila ng burn effect cancellation. Okay, so ayun lamang for this update. So I hope may mga natutunan kayo, and I hope nagustuhan nyo rin yung update ni Project Sino dahil ako nagustuhan ko. But if you have thoughts in your mind and may mga ideas kayo, pwede nyo i-comment yan dyan sa comment section natin. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe on our YouTube channel. Maraming salamat mga kapatid. Kita-kits ulit on our next video. Bye-bye!